Good morning, friends. Welcome to the SBI Securities morning podcast. It was a stellar start to the week with the benchmark indices Nifty and the Sensex ending 1 and 1.3% higher yesterday. The mid cap and the small cap indices marginally underperformed but ended in the positive. This is after they outperformed the benchmark indices on Friday. Among major gainers, ICICI Bank, Grasim, NTPC, BPCL, Bajaj Finance, JSW Steel, Nestle India, Reliance Industries, TCS and Sun Pharma. While on the losing side, we had HCL Tech, Hero MotoCorp, Bajaj Auto, Adani Ports, ITC, Wipro, Coal India and Tata Consumer. Sectorally, the banking index was the outperformer, ending 2.7% higher on back of strong earnings from ICICI Bank. The financial services index also was up 1.8%. The power and the commodity index were up 0.9 and 0.5% respectively. The metal index was up 0.4%. While on the losing side, the realty index was down 1%. 171 stocks ended at 52-week highs. So Aarti Industries, Axis Bank, Biocon, CG Power, Dixon Tech, Force Motors, Havells India and ITD Cementation were the stocks that touched 52-week highs, while 13 stocks were trading at 52-week lows. The market breadth also continues to be strong with 1,982 advances to 1,934 declines. The fund flows, so the FIIs turned net buyers after many sessions of selling. So a net buy figure of 169 crore in the cash market yesterday, while the DIIs continued to remain buyers with a net buy figure of 692 crores yesterday. Coming to global cues, the global cues too were strong with the Dow Jones ending 0.4% higher, the Nasdaq ending 0.4% higher and the S&P 500 also up 0.3%. The global cues look supportive as the strong results from tech stocks continue and the Fed meeting outcome is due on Wednesday night, so our markets will react to it on Thursday morning. Indian markets will remain shut tomorrow. So straight away on Thursday, we'll be reacting to the Fed policy outcome. Today, the Asian markets also are supportive and hence we expect a green start today as well. Coming to the Q4 results, so Tata Chemicals reported its numbers. The revenue was down 21% YOY, the EBITDA was down 54% YOY. And the company reported a net loss at 841 crores versus a profit last year. Numbers clearly below Bloomberg estimates, and even there was an impairment loss in the UK operations. So weak performance overall and a negative reaction is likely on Tata Chemicals today. Poonawalla FinCorp, strong set of numbers, so net profit was up 84% YOY and coming much above the Bloomberg estimates, so positive for Poonawalla FinCorp. Strong numbers from Vesuvius India, so revenue was up 23% YOY, EBITDA up 73% YOY, strong 600 basis points margin improvement and net profit also up 59% YOY. So strong set of numbers from Vesuvius India. Strong numbers from Shoppers Stop as well, so revenue up 13% YOY, above Bloomberg estimates, and the margin was slightly lower, so 81 basis points lower, coming below Bloomberg estimates, but net profit was up 63% YOY, much above the Bloomberg estimate, so positive for Shoppers Stop. Birlasoft also reported strong numbers, so revenue was up 1.5% on a QOQ basis, while the EBIT was up 4% on a QOQ basis. There was margin improvement of 33 basis points sequentially, and net profit was up 12% on a QOQ basis. The numbers coming above estimates, so positive for Birlasoft as well. Gillette India, the revenue was up 10% YOY, while the EBITDA was up 20% YOY. Margin improved 200 basis points, but there was a slight downtick in the net profit, which was down 4% YOY. So mixed set of numbers, expect a neutral reaction on Gillette India. KFin Technologies, the revenue was up 4.5% on a QOQ basis, while the EBIT was up 6.5%. A margin improved 80 basis points YOY. and the net profit was up 11.5% on a QOQ basis. The equity markets continue to be strong, and the mutual fund SIPs also continue to be strong. And KFin Tech is a major beneficiary of this trend of financialization of savings. So overall, good set of numbers from KFin Technologies as well. Canfin Homes, the net profit was up 26% YOY, largely in line with the Bloomberg estimate. So a decent performance from Canfin Homes. Rosari Biotech reported numbers that were largely in line with estimates. Revenue was up 16% YOY, EBITDA was also up 16%, while the net profit was up 18% YOY. So overall positive set of numbers from Rosari Biotech as well. Some key results today. So Indus Towers, Indian Oil Corporation, Adani Energy Solutions, Adani Total Gas, Castrol India, Central Bank of India, Chola Finance, Exide Industries, Five Star Business Finance, Havells India, REC, Sona BLW, Star Health, Symphony. These companies will be reporting their numbers today. Additionally, tomorrow the markets will remain shut, but there are results. So Ambuja Cement, Adani Power, Adani Wilmar, Netweb Technologies, Orient Cement will be reporting their numbers tomorrow. Coming to stock specific news, NMDC will be in the green today. The company has increased the prices of lump iron ore by 400 rupees per ton and the prices of fines by 200 rupees per ton. So positive for NMDC. KEC International, the company has received new orders worth 1,036 crores across various businesses, and the orders are in the T&D projects in the Middle East and the US. So positive for KEC International. Rights will be in focus. The company has received a letter of acceptance worth $111 million from Bangladesh Railway for the supply of passenger coaches. So positive for rights. Positive for RVNL as well. The joint venture of RVNL with Kerala Railway Development Corporation has received a letter of acceptance worth 440 crores for the redevelopment of Thiruvananthapuram station in Kerala. So positive for RVNL as well. RCF, the Ministry of Chemicals has approved the revised investment worth 2,170 crores by RCF in Talcher Fertilizers. Talcher Fertilizers is a JV between RCF, GAIL, Coal India and Fertilizer Corp. So neutral to positive for RCF. Vari Energies will be in focus. The company has secured a 400 megawatt modules supply order in Gujarat, so it's a positive for Vari Energies. Prestige Estates, the company has announced that it has sold luxury homes worth 1,300 crore rupees in its South Mumbai project, so positive for Prestige Estates. Linde India will be in focus. The SEBI has directed the NSE to appoint a valuer to carry out the valuation of related party transactions carried out by Linde India between Linde India and Praxair India, which is a related party. So this is following complaints from minority shareholders. So negative till clarity emerges on this valuation report. In terms of new listing today, so JNK India will be debuting on the stock exchanges today at an issue price of 415 rupees per share. The 650 crore IPO was subscribed 28 times on the third day. So a new listing today, as well as in bulk deals, Protein eGov Technologies in focus. IIFL Special Opportunities Fund sold a 2.5% stake yesterday at 1,222 rupees per share, while Plutus Wealth Management bought 1.2% stake. So that's all in the podcast today. Have a happy trading session. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.